Hi, and welcome to On the Move, a show highlighting what's going on in your community. I'm your host, Eliza Papazian. In this month's show, we'll learn about holiday safety tips in the kitchen, check out how you can recycle your Christmas tree, take a look at the work of a few local nonprofits, and so much more. What better time than the holiday season to volunteer your time? Let's check out some local nonprofit organizations. It's that time of year when giving back is on our minds. What better way to contribute to your community than to volunteer? Here are 6 amazing local organizations looking for active and dedicated volunteers. Wellness Works engages the community in restoring a sense of wholeness of body and soul to veterans and their families. The organization provides education, healing, and opportunities for self-care in a safe and welcoming environment. The nonprofit offers various services to assist veterans in their healing process, such as craniosacral therapy, acupuncture, pranic healing, emotional freedom technique, and psychotherapy. Among their contributions to the Glendale community, Wellness Works hosts Not on Our Watch, an annual event that brings awareness to the 22 veterans who lose their lives to suicide every day. This amazing organization has volunteer opportunities available, including garden maintenance, light office and clerical support, donation mailings, event assistance, and food donation pickups. Visit wellnessworksforveterans.org for more information. Glendale Arts is a nonprofit organization that not only powers the Alex Theater, but makes the arts accessible to the Glendale community. The Glendale Arts Volunteer Program includes the Alex Theater Ambassadors, Glendale Arts Special Event Volunteers, and GAEDU. Alex Theater Ambassadors and Glendale Arts Special Event Volunteers play a crucial role in providing assistance with setup, patron services, and breakdown at events. The GAEDU internship program is an immersive, hands-on educational opportunity designed to introduce participants to the skills needed to work in a professional performing arts and entertainment venue. For more information, contact volunteer@glendalearts.org. San Gabriel Valley Habitat for Humanity transforms lives and communities by bringing people together to build, renovate, and repair affordable homes for families in need. Driven by a world where everyone has a decent place to live, San Gabriel Valley Habitat for Humanity assists homeowners and helps them build or repair their homes alongside volunteers. If you'd like to help families achieve strength, stability, and self-reliance, then you'll love the volunteer opportunities they have available. For more information about volunteer opportunities, visit sgvhabitat.org. Founded in 1926, YWCA Glendale is dedicated to eliminating racism, empowering women, and promoting peace, justice, freedom, and dignity for all. The organization provides resources and support to survivors of domestic violence and their children. There are many YWCA Glendale programs and departments in need of volunteers. In these departments, volunteers are assigned duties like donation sorting, administrative support, adopt a room projects, and more. Volunteer opportunities vary throughout the year. Contact volunteer@glendaleywca.org to learn more. With its main headquarters in Glendale, the Armenian Relief Society is a nonprofit organization dedicated to offering education, social services, family services, culture, and humanitarian aid to those in need. Services offered through the organization include case management, English as a second language classes for senior citizens, employment services, senior services, assistance with transportation, housing, and utilities, completion of forms, emergency assistance, distribution of food and clothing, and so much more. And all services are provided free of charge. If you'd like to help make a positive impact in the lives of those most in need, contact the Armenian Relief Society at 818-241-7533 or email socialservices@arswestusa.org. The Armenian General Benevolent Union is the world's largest nonprofit organization devoted to upholding the Armenian heritage through educational, cultural, and humanitarian programs. In 1997, the organization created Gen Next, a youth program to foster a community of positive role models that'll support and guide them as they make their way through adolescence. Participants enroll in Gen Next during their middle school years, and the majority remain in the program until they graduate from high school. Youths from all backgrounds are welcome to visit the center to do homework, play games, talk to case managers, adult volunteers, and participate in activities. For more information, contact the AGBU Western District Office at 626-794-7942. As you can see, there are plenty of opportunities to give back. So whether you're volunteering or donating, we hope this has inspired you to get involved. Festive celebrations, flickering lights, and wintergreens are hallmarks of the holiday season, but they also present fire risks. Let's learn about some safety precautions to keep risks at bay.
Christmas trees account for hundreds of fires each year. Typically, shorts in electrical lights or open flames from candles, lighters, or matches start tree fires. Well-watered trees are not a problem, but a dry and neglected tree can be. This is what happens when the dry tree on the right catches fire versus the well-watered tree on the left. These trees withstand the flames better than dry trees. Don't burn the holiday season. Make sure to water your trees.
Give the earth a gift by recycling your tree after the holiday season. Let's check out this free and easy program.
The City of Glendale wishes you happy holidays. Please remember to recycle your Christmas tree at the end of the holiday season. First, remove all decorations and ornaments. Second, remove any stand, including nailed-on wooden boards that many tree lots provide. Trees should be placed at the curb starting January the 2nd through mid-January. Single-family homes should place the tree at the curb on your regular collection day. Tenants of multi-family buildings or businesses must place trees together at the curb on the automated collection day for your area. Please be patient, as it can take up to 1 week for your tree to be collected. If you do not know your collection day, please call the Integrated Waste Management Office at 818-548-3916. Thank you for recycling right and creating a healthy and clean community.
The City of Glendale would like to wish everyone a happy holiday season. Let's learn about some safety tips to keep you and your family safe in the kitchen.
The holidays are just around the corner, so chances are you'll be spending a lot more time in the kitchen. But if you're not careful, preparing a family feast could be a recipe for disaster. Here are some key ingredients to having a safe holiday season. Do not leave the kitchen if you have something on the stovetop. If you must leave your home for even a short period of time, turn off the stove or oven. Keep children a safe distance away from the stove to prevent burns from steam and/or splash from hot food and liquids. Keep the kitchen floor clear so you do not trip over kids, toys, pets, or bags. Keep knives out of the reach of children. Be sure electrical cords from kitchen appliances are not dangling off the counter. Keep flammable items off of your stovetop. Use the stove's back burners whenever possible. Turn pot handles inward to reduce the risk of knocking over pots. Make sure smoke detectors are working properly. Test them by pushing the test button. Keep a multi-purpose fire extinguisher in the kitchen and know how to use it. If a stovetop fire occurs, do not pour water on it. Turn off source of heat, suffocate the flame. You can cover it with a lid, another pot, or baking pan. If you can't cover it, dump baking soda on it. Do not attempt to move the pot, and if the fire gets out of control, don't try to be a hero. Get out and call 911. So as you're preparing your holiday feast, remember, by following a few simple safety tips, you can keep yourself and your family safer from fire. And happy holidays from Glendale Fire Department.
That's it for this month's episode of On the Move. For up-to-the-minute news, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at MyGlendale. You can also stay informed by signing up for our free monthly electronic newsletter, City Connection. Sign up on the city's website. Thanks for watching, and join us next time as we explore the interesting things happening in the city of Glendale.